Aloha, my friend. This is Billy Wiggly with another Excel keyboard shortcut for you. And today, we're at Kauai Campground in Kauai, Hawaii. It's approximately 3,500 feet elevation. And this is where we come when we want to get away from the nice heat of the beach and get some nice, cool, fresh air. There's nothing that I would edit of Kauai Campground. I love this spot. However, in Excel, I'm constantly editing. To edit the contents of a cell, just select the cell you want to edit and press F2. Just like that. You can begin editing the contents of that cell. F2 works in just about any of one of your office applications. You can even edit file names. Select the file name, press F2, and start editing. There you have it. Remember, my friend, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.